এভরিওয়ান, দিস ইজ দীপাঞ্জলি। ওয়েলকাম টু স্বাদ বেঙ্গল। আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাই। আজকের রেসিপিটা কিন্তু খুবই স্পেশাল, ভেটকি পাতুরি। Friends, bhetki paturi or fish paturi is a bomb delicacy which we normally prepare using banana leaf. So let's see how we can make this recipe at home. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please press the bell icon so that you receive my notification at the earliest. Let's see the ingredients.
Ingredients are, I have taken 400 gram bhetki mach. This will be around 6 pieces. I have considered fillet of the fish with medium thickness. See, this is the thickness I have taken. I have washed the fish thoroughly with salt water and little bit vinegar. This will reduce the smell. This is mustard paste with poppy seed paste. I have also added 2 green chilies and little bit salt, around 1 teaspoon. Some curd, haldi powder and salt, 4 green chili, 1 lemon. This is 4 tablespoon mustard oil. We will prepare this recipe in mustard oil. And this is banana leaf. We will use banana leaf in this recipe. Now we will marinate the fish with half a lemon, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon haldi powder. We will mix it well and keep it aside for half an hour. This will soften the fish. Meanwhile, in a pan we will add 1 tablespoon mustard oil and we will slightly fry the fish. This step is totally optional. If you want, you can skip this step. But I always prefer to fry the fish slightly before making any kind of paturis. This removes the raw smell of the fish. But make sure you don't deep fry the fish. It should be slightly fried because traditionally we don't fry the fish at all for preparing paturis. So give a quick saute from both ends in low flame. In fact, it's done. We'll take the fish out in a plate. You can see the texture of the fish. It is very lightly fried. In fact, machta tele diye just flip kora. Now we will take the fish in a bowl and mix it with mustard paste and poppy seed paste. In this paste, I have also added 2 chilies and salt, as I said earlier. If required, you can add salt additionally. Also, we will add some curd. And give it a good mix. If you're not frying the fish, add some raw mustard oil in this mixture. I have not added it here because I have already fried the fish in 1 tablespoon mustard oil. মাছটাকে ভালোভাবে মাখিয়ে নিলাম সরষে পোস্ত বাটা দিয়ে. Now we will add the green chilies. ছোট ছোট চপ করে নিলাম green chilies. If you want, you can add the whole green chilies also. Give it a good mix. The fish is well coated with the masalas. Now we will wrap it in banana leaves. So let's see how to wrap this. I have washed the banana leaves thoroughly. Now what we need to do is we will heat a pan and we will roast the banana leaf from both ends. By doing this, the banana leaf will turn soft and it will be easily foldable. See, the leaf is easily folding. We are doing this step to avoid tearing of the leaf while preparing the recipe. Now we'll take a banana leaf, apply little bit mustard oil, add 1 piece of fish, add little bit masalas, around 1 tablespoon mustard oil, 1 green chili and mix the masala. Now we will fold the banana leaf in this way and pack it. Pack it properly with the help of a thread. Tie it from both sides, length and width, and tie a knot so that the masala doesn't come out while preparing the recipe. Now in a pan, we will add half a teaspoon of mustard oil. Spread it evenly and fry all our fish parcels. We will add it one by one. Now we will keep the pan in low flame and cover it with a lid. After 10 minutes, we will check the parcel. And flip the parcel. Similarly, we will cook the parcel from other side. So friends, our bhetki machir paturi is ready. This is called paturi because we have prepared this recipe in a leaf. We can even make paturi for other fishes like prawns and hilsha. Serve this with hot steamed rice. And if you like our recipe, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this recipe with your friends.